Hi, and we are live on Facebook. Welcome to day 5 of the Breast is Best Summit. In this Baby Chakra Summit, we are talking about how to support mothers. So far, in the first 3 days, we spoke about breast milk. Yesterday, we spoke about facilitating maternity returnees, and today, continuing that in this current work environment that we have where everyone is working from home, here is facilitating moms, supporting them and empowering them with ideas of how to take their careers further, how to change tracks of their career because of the new normal, which is pretty abnormal for all of us. Joining me today are two very special guests. We were having a very fun chat right before, and the summit has stopped that chat short, and we're going to have even more fun now. Is Miss Isha Ajmera. Hi, Isha. I'd like to introduce her to you. She is the founder of the White Crow Consulting Firm. She's a baker by passion, and a painter. She's a very talented person, and she's a mother of twins who are 11 years old now. So that is a whole different level of talent that she has. She's a certified coach and has been in the recruitment space for the past 15 years. Isha has consulted and executed talent acquisition for MNCs and 100 plus startups. In this journey, her company has helped over 700 professionals find their next play. Next, hi Isha, would you like to say a few words before I introduce Ishani?
Thank you so much for your kind introduction, Dr. Farah, and I'm glad I'm here. I hope I'll be able to contribute to the overall perspective.
Next, I'm so sorry for that noise. Next, we have Miss Dr. Ishani Ahuja. She's a child and adolescent psychologist. She's a parenting coach and a certified art-based therapist. We were just discussing how her perspective of training, disadvantaged kids is so important. She finds a niche for them, what works with each child, and she trains children, adolescents, young adults, and those with special needs. She's trained in psychological assessment, multimodal interventions, family therapy, parent child interaction therapy, play therapy, emotional freedom techniques of healing. Fantastic profile, super floored right now. Ishani, welcome to the BIB Summit.
Thank you so much, Dr. Farah. And I'm so excited to be a part of this lovely venture. And I hope that we can have a very meaningful discussion for all the parents, all the mothers who are joining in today. So extremely excited for that. Thank you.
So before we start off, I'd like to introduce myself too. I am Dr. Farah Adam. I'm a family physician from Narayana Hrudayalaya, Bangalore. I'm author of the book Newborns and New Moms. I have linked it down below. You can, I've been all over Baby Chakra actually past kuch dino se. So for those who are tuning in, I'm so sorry if it's repetitive, but this book addresses all the struggles of an Indian woman who lives in the city, जिसको she can't understand कि tradition follow करना है, कि internet को follow करना है, contemporary follow करना है, doctor को सुनना है, दादी को सुनना है, नानी को सुनना है. So this will solve everything in a very simple language from a scientific medical viewpoint as well as from a mother who has been through it all. So starting with our talk today is Miss Ishani. Please tell us, what are your views about this new normal? क्या चल क्या रहा है? You work with parents and children. What are the struggles that you are facing and problems that you're seeing with your clients?
So I think, Dr. Farah, like you spoke about, that this new normal is in fact so abnormal for all of us because we're so used to this really fast-paced life, and we are all used to having like certain anchors in our life which facilitate us, which keep us going, and now suddenly all of that taken away, everybody shut in one house, be it the parents, the children, the dada dadi, the nana nani, and our maids who are our biggest,
Life partners.
Yeah, biggest life partners. I think they've all kind of vanished. So it's created like this immense havoc in everybody's life because we're all suddenly exposed to this new way of life where we have to pick up roles which are otherwise very demarcated, and it was very well abjugated to everyone, and now all of those roles have become extremely enmeshed. And for our, be it for our new mothers, for our mothers, it's even more difficult because they have the kids to take care of, they have homeschool them, their partners to take care of, and then if there are some elderly in the house, so all of it just suddenly comes to one shoulder. and that's why it's been, I think, extremely chaotic and extremely overwhelming. So I think that's what has really been happening all over.
So tell us about the physiological changes, and let's take the conversation in Hindi English mix because 60% हमारा audience हिंदी बोलता है. So just let's make everyone comfortable, whatever you're comfortable with. हिंदी English mix में बात करते हैं. So tell us कि from a physiological viewpoint, जो मतलब सिर्फ मानसिक नहीं, बॉडी को क्या इफेक्ट हो रहा है? Can you tell us that? आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट है, आप थेरेपिस्ट भी है, तो आपका व्यू पॉइंट दीजिए उसमें.
सो आई थिंक सबसे पहले फिजियोलॉजिकली मानसिक तो है ही, लेकिन बॉडीली लेवल पे आई थिंक द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग इज द लेवल ऑफ यू नो, जैसे हम जिसको एनर्जी कहते हैं, यू नो द एनर्जी दैट वी ऑल एक्सूड ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, दैट हैज रियली गॉन डाउन, क्योंकि सारा प्रेशर व्हेन ऑल ऑफ इट हैज कम ऑन वन शोल्डर. सो इट्स रियली टेकन अवे दैट ड्राइव, जो कोई चीज़, किसी को चीज़ को करने की मोटिवेशन, एक्साइटमेंट, ड्राइव, सो दैट हैज़ कम्प्लीटली गॉन. उसकी वजह से जो हमारा लेवल ऑफ मूड है, जो हमारा यू नो जनरल ओवरऑल जो हम एनर्जी एग्ज्यूट करते हैं, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा सप्रेस्ड है. बहुत चिड़चिड़ापन, इरिटेशन, लैक ऑफ एनर्जी, किसी चीज़ को करने का मोटिवेशन नहीं है, एंड जस्ट overall headaches, stomach aches. Like I've had so many, especially women, come to me and share these issues, that because इतना कुछ चल रहा है, you know, and the larger scheme of things, so वो शायद उस बात को voice out भी नहीं कर पा रहे. They're lacking that voice to communicate that. So all of it is just coming in terms of very psychosomatic ways. यानी कि body जब इतना स्ट्रेस ले रही है, सो उसकी वजह से जो बॉडीली पेन्स, इमोशनल चेंजेस जो आने लगते हैं, वो देन योर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स टू स्पीक.
सो ट्रू.
वो सोमैटिक दिखता नहीं है, बट इट्स राइट देयर. So all of that, I think physically it's really impacted all our bodies. And not just this, I've had mothers and, you know, women come to me whose menstrual cycles have completely been shifted, and it's taken a toll because hormonally our bodies are changing so much. Jahan on a usual day there would be, you know, spaces of relaxation, and there would be you know, just calming down. Ab sara time chid, and there is so much pressure that the kind of hormones probably that are also being released are just stress hormones. Just cortisol is being released. So I think at this level our bodies are equally being impacted with the kind of environment that we are in. Always rushed, always in a hurry, always just you know, not at all at peace कि बस इसको खत्म करो. कोई चीज का मोटिवेशन या इंटेंट नहीं है, बस जो है सामने उसको करके
क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ भी इफेक्ट हो रहा है. बिकॉज यू नो, बच्चे आते हैं और वो बच्चों का क्या है, लाइफ जी रहे हैं वो लोग, चिल है, एक रैप पर इतने आराम से खोले. पेरेंट्स को दे वांट टू रश, जल्दी खत्म करो जी, खा लो, यू नो, इट्स लाइक दैट. And I'll tell you about a case that I had. There was this father who had hit his child and I had to give sutures to the child. और जैसे टांके लगे थे बच्चे को, एंड उन्होंने जानबूझ के नहीं मारा था, वो कोई चाइल्ड अब्यूज का केस नहीं था. इनफैक्ट वो फादर आके मुझसे अपोलोजाइज कर रहा था कि वो बच्चा ना, मेरा बेटा, वो गर्म चाय हमारी 2 साल की बच्ची के पास लेकर आया, उसको ऑलमोस्ट चाय गिरते गिरते वो बच्ची बच गई, और वो इतने गिल्टी थे. ही सेड आई एम रियली सॉरी डॉक्टर, ही अपोलोजाइज टू मी. बेटा, आई एम लाइक, प्लीज मुझसे अपोलोजाइज मत करो. एंड आई रेफर्ड हिम टू माय काउंसलर एंड आई सेड कि if you need help, if you need to, I had to counsel him, I had to comfort him that it's okay, everyone is losing their temper, this is not so abnormal, it is not. And he understood that बच्चे को टांके लगे इतना जोर का, and गलती से लगा था, as in he tried to hit him and जोर से लग गया थोड़ा. And I had to comfort the kid also कि बेटा, पापा, you have to be nicer to papa and you have to be kinder to him and, you know, not push him to the edge. So I had to, like, in his language उसको मुझे explain करना पड़ा. ये बहुत दिख रहा है. आज भी मेरे पास एक पेशेंट आई थी जिसको menstrual irregularities हो गई, because उसका वो किंडरगार्टन टीचर थी और वो नहीं जा रही अभी स्कूल. तो all she's thinking about is her mother-in-law ने ऐसे बोला, mother-in-law ने वैसे बोला. तो half an hour we spoke about this issue कि मैंने कहा था, आप पिल से ज्यादा आपको अभी तनाव कम करने की जरूरत है. न्यूली मैरिड like a year ago, not planning kids as of now, young lady. एंड मैं तो बहुत देख रही हूँ ये केसेस, साइकोसोमैटिक जिसको बोलते हैं.
Exactly. So also like Dr. Farah, how you're saying, it's not just bodily नहीं है, physically भी नहीं है, emotionally भी. जैसे you know, like if you talk about Pandora's box of emotions, वो emotions इतने सारे हैं, like they're all spread, right from stress, fear, घबराहट, irritation, guilt, then complete loss of identity of self. क्योंकि अभी जो मैं थी, how I would define myself, say with my role that I would do, with you know certain things जो मेरी life में मुझे जहाँ से sense of achievement या happiness मिलती थी, all of that has gone. And all am I is मैं या तो सिर्फ बाई बनी हुई हूँ, I'm just you know just like another helper in the house, or I'm just maybe passively somewhere. So those depressive feelings, feelings of you know completely losing control of what's happening in my life, I think वो सबसे ज़्यादा इस वक्त इतना heightened है, और उसकी वजह से इतने इमोशंस की जो खिचड़ी बनती है, like you spoke about, you know, I also have some parents who are just not able to control their emotions and they are feeling so agitated, इतना चिड़चिड़ की दे से हम चाहते नहीं है, but so many times out of our will हम चाहते भी नहीं है, but we end up either really shouting at our kid or just you know एक लगा दिया, because they feel they are not able to understand our situation where we are. And probably if I were to look at from the child's lens या बच्चों की नजर से देखा जाए, for them it's equally overwhelming. उनके लिए मम्मी पापा को समझ क्यों नहीं आ रहा हमें बाहर जाना है, like you know we need that space out. So I think it's just very enmeshed, and physiology के साथ साथ emotionally भी, और जैसे mind और body absolutely connected होते हैं. So I think it's playing out a lot in that way.
Okay, thank you so much, Ishani. Moving on to Miss Isha Ajmera, please give us your take on the new normal and आजकल motivation कैसा है in the workforce? Can you speak a few words about that?
Yeah, so you know, the motivation in the workforce has to be bucketized, right? So if I particularly talk about our target audience, हमारे जो audience हैं अभी, there are audiences who are at home because of maternity. There are people who would have lost their job. There are people who are still in job but are in the situation like we right now share, because there's work, there's everything. So you know, of course, who are in job, they are in a bigger trouble right now. उनको और ज़्यादा तकलीफ हो रही होगी because they have more number of transactions and tasks to handle, and एक boss बैठा है सर पे जो कि और बहुत questions पूछ रहा है. And of course it is equally difficult for mothers who are full-time mothers, who are new mothers specifically, because suddenly from, let's say if they were at work and suddenly mental काम जो हम at work कर रहे थे और जो हम freedom enjoy कर रहे थे, financial and time freedom and everything, that is all gone for a toss, right? So I think overall motivation definitely is down. But we have to look at the advantages over here, right? We are, let's say, if we were at work, we should also look at the perspective that we are saving time now. There is no time, travel time that we are wasting. For our audience, जो हमारे अभी audience हैं, if you look at them, I mean, I think this is a blessing for them, right? Because abhi, if in case we've just delivered our kids or we are going to deliver or, and so on, this is a beautiful time. If we look back and see, no other working mother would have enjoyed this time as beautifully. Ki 24 hours somebody is asking, go have fun with the kid, right? Yes, there is a lot of other work, no doubt about it, but a lot of people have not got this opportunity, and it's a beautiful time to have. So look at it from that lens and maybe you start enjoying it.
Continuing from this, can you tell us about क्या अगर कोई माँ हमको अभी देख रही है, okay, उसका maternity break चल रहा है और उसने या फिर अपना जॉब छोड़ा and बच्चे का ख्याल रख रही है, बच्चा 1 साल का भी नहीं हुआ है, अभी सोच रही है अभी तो कोविड पैंडेमिक में कौन जॉब देगा, तो कैन यू टेल अस कि नए रिक्रूटमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है, क्या प्लेटफॉर्म्स इंडस्ट्रीज है दैट आर लुकिंग फॉर रोल्स दैट एक औरत घर पे बैठे बैठे कर सकते हैं? अभी तो घर पे बैठे बैठे करने वाले सब लोग काम, बट कैन यू जस्ट लाइक हेल्प आउट आवर ऑडियंस की क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती है उनको अगर वो जॉब सोच रहे हैं टू जॉइन बैक वर्क?
Lots and lots of them, Dr. Farah. In fact, because you know we know that we're going to talk about it, I created this list. To start with, I will want to put it in 2 buckets. Mothers who have a job abhi unke paas job hai, but they are in a mess, like you would share that you know there's work, there's everything. So you know what I will advise to them is bucketize your day into 3 parts. There is work, there is kids, definitely you need to spend time there to be able to satisfy yourself, and there is a definite need of a me time. I'm sure Ishani would agree to me, you know, when I say that. So if you are able to in your mind create that 3 beautiful buckets with respect to your day, I think you will be sleeping happy end of the day. Right. Have very clear conversations with your boss कि आपकी क्या expectations हैं, समझो कि मुझे कितने घंटे लगाने हैं, मुझे उतने घंटे लगा के मैं justice कर पाऊँ, your job is done, that's it. You know, अभी उतना ही हम कर पाए काफी है. Now, coming to mothers who have probably lost their job, or after the situation they want to look for a job, there are tons of opportunities that are available. In fact, even for, I mean, I would also want to throw light on the fact there are upskilling opportunities available in case we feel as mothers that we don't want to go to full-time job, part-time karna hai hame. Lots of them are also available. So I collated that, I'll share. For example, job boards का अगर बात करें, let's say naukri.com, तो naukri.com ने क्या किया? For recruiters, specifically, recruiters have to pay to see your CV. अगर आपका CV job board पे है, right? For अगर आप जाके अपने वहाँ पे CV mark कर दो that I currently am out of job, right? I'm a mother, I'm out of job, and because of COVID situation or otherwise also, they are not charging recruiters to pay for that. So which means there are higher chances that you will be looked at first, right?
Such an important point. I had no idea about this.
Yes, yeah. Okay. And then if you look at LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a whole pool of people where people go and look for opportunities. LinkedIn has given an opportunity in your profile. You can mark, I'm looking for a, you can tag yourself there. And it's a green tag, very clearly visible. So any recruiter knows that he's looking out for a job. These are clear tags you should mark yourself if you want to go back to work. Okay. Then there are other platforms. There's Sheroes, there's Jobs for Her, there's Ladies Who Lead and so on. Be a part of those communities. These companies are working so hard specifically for women to make sure that they give you the right opportunities that are available for women, especially in work too, basically, which means कि आपने किया काम, आपको break लेना पड़ा, break could be 6 months, could be 6 years, anything, and what other opportunities are available. And the beautiful thing is now the industry is opening up, right? So there are large organizations who have launched big programs. I mean, I can share that list with you, but the cut short is Genpact does Career.0, Google does G-Career, Sapient does Spring, Accenture does Career Reboot for Women. And I mean, I have a long list that I can share across, that. So I think it is open. We have to keep our eyes in is open. We have to see where our expertise is and find the right space for ourselves. If we feel that we may not be able to work full-time right now, our kid is small, responsibilities are huge, I want to do part-time work. So there are so many websites which are there, like Freelancer is there, Oyster Connect is there, Upwork, Behance. I mean, LinkedIn has opened up a space for freelancer mothers, freelancers, not mothers particularly, which is ProFinder. So many of them are there. Government has opened
up ProFinder.
ProFinder.
तो उसमें कैसे लिस्ट कर सकते हैं अपना नाम?
So it's a portal. Go and make your profile, upload your profile as a freelancer.
का वो LinkedIn का ही है वो.
Yes, it's a
ProFinder, guys. Freelance work clip. Fantastic.
Yeah. If you want, we can probably publish this list to the whole community. I mean, wherever.
Yeah, that would be really helpful, actually.
Yeah. There are lots of government policies also there in place. They've increased the time for maternity mothers to do their PhD. 6 years था पहले. अगर आप tick mark करो PhD sorry, if you are on maternity in the middle of these 6 years, they give you 8 years. So this is beautiful. We have to utilize these opportunities.
Yes, बहुत important है ये.
Yeah. Also, in case you want me to throw some light, I can talk about upskilling opportunities. All the top Indian and international universities have opened up short-term and long-term programs. Go and apply for them.
Continuous studies in हाँ, तो ये जो upscaling आपने word use किया, आप हमारे audience को please समझा देंगे because it's a technical term, right? आपके industry में ज़्यादा use होता है.
Okay, so basically आप किसी भी space के, अगर आप IT के रहे हो, आप non IT में operations में रहे हो, sales में रहे हो, marketing में रहे हो, so because you had a break, हम लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि अब मैं वापस interview कैसे face करूँगी? अभी जो मेरे बराबर पे और females थी, वो तो 4 steps आगे चल गई, उन्होंने और कुछ सीख लिया, team handling सीख ली, development के बाद testing और front end और बहुत कुछ सीख लिया, मैं तो पीछे रह गई हूँ, तो I'm not up to date. So the term that we use is upskilling ourselves. We were skilled. We want to add more skills to our portfolio to say that I'm back in the market with a full bang. So उसके लिए बहुत सारे options available हैं. I think we should do that as well.
And over here, I like to share my own personal story कि मैंने कैसे career path मेरा change किया था. तो I was a practicing physician right before my son was born, and then I took a maternity break, joined back work, got pregnant again, second baby. अभी जब मेरा second baby हुआ, that time when she was 4 months old, that's when by then, you know, I had enough confidence that I can write my book, which is this, the product is right here. तो वो जब 4 महीने की थी तब मैंने लिखना शुरू किया था, एंड दैट टाइम आई गेव माय वर्क द रिस्पेक्ट इट डिजर्व्ड. मैं बच्ची को दूध पिला देती थी, दादा दादी के पास छोड़ती थी खेलने के लिए, एंड वो नेक्स्ट 1.5-2 घंटे तक वो मुझे नहीं परेशान करेगी. मतलब ना दूध चाहिए, इसका नहाना हो गया, पॉटी हो गया, सब हो गया था. एंड आई वुड सिट इन द स्टडी, सिट एंड राइट एंड राइट एंड राइट. जो भी है, गंदा है, बेकार है, बस लिखती थी मैं. ये 1.5 से 2 घंटा मुझे लिखना ही है. सो आई गेव माई सेल्फ दैट डिसिप्लिन. आई वॉज सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, एंड अभी तो मैं अपनी बच्ची को छोड़ के जा नहीं सकती हूँ फुल टाइम कंसल्टिंग करने के लिए. तो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस, एंड आई यू नो आई केप्ट रिसर्चिंग. जब उस बच्ची को दूध पिलाती थी तब रिसर्च तो पढ़ना रहता है, तो उसको दूध पिलाते पिलाते यू नो आई वुड रिसर्च ड्यूरिंग द डे. That I gave myself that discipline. And then finally, when she was, I think she was around 1.5 to 2 years old, I don't remember exactly when, I got a job in Narayana and I went back to work. And even now, I work only in the mornings because I just mentioned, right? My son had some difficulties. He had some problems with speech. So I wanted to give that kind of attention and time to him. So I couldn't be the quintessential career woman. Mera career subah ke, I just take the morning shift, and the rest of the time now, you know, I'm promoting my book, I'm holding webinars on Baby Chakra, as you can see on my Instagram handle. So this is basically in tandem with my book. So mera book ka kaam bhi chal raha hai, as well as, you know, my consulting is going on. So I kind of shaped my career in a different way, and I got back to my previous career too, which is consulting. तो अगर आपको कभी ऐसा लगे, you know, you can go into producing something, कि आप कुछ अपने आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स का कुछ कर सकते हैं, you know, और इंस्टाग्राम है, you can just, you know, be your own marketer. There are people I know जो पेंटिंग में चले गए, they start selling their own paintings. तो बच्चे सो जाते हैं, वो बैठ के पेंट करती है, you know, something like that. So but all of this takes a lot away from you. Yes. Right? So Ishani, could you please highlight कि ये motivation कैसे maintain करना एक माँ? And after that, Isha, I want to know, you had twins. I'm really interested to know your struggle also. But before that, Ishani, please help us out कि right mindset कैसे लाना एक औरत, वो motivation कहाँ से लाना कि बच्चा पैदा किया है, भाई थक गए, मोटे हो गए, ऐसे हो गए. तो that motivation to get back to work, to love your body, please give us tips on that.
I think like how you spoke about, and whatever narratives that I've had of women come to me also, see that motivation is like that fire. वो बाहर से नहीं आएगी. It has to be lit up, you know, right within. And the more that fire is, you know, it's just growing more and more, it's just going to motivate you. But how do you really reach that, you know, part of motivation? I think the first thing that you also brought in through your journey was compartmentalize, break it down. Because otherwise, if I look at my life, मैं अपनी जिंदगी को देखूंगी, I have 10 things, you know, on my board. मेरे सर के आसपास ये करना है, ये करना है, यहाँ हो रहा है, अब मेरी body भी ठीक नहीं है, you know, I've given birth, there's a cranky child out there. So it just takes over. It takes over your entire self, and you begin to lose yourself. So I think first thing, go back, take a minute of pause from all of this, away from all of this. Just take that pause, whether it's a 10-minute pause in the day, whether it's a 10-minute pause at night, whatever time. How, you know, Isha was also saying about that, you know, it's very important that me time, because agar wo me time nahi hoga, uske alawa anything you want to do on this planet is not possible, even if that's about thinking of something new. So that pause is really, really important. And Dr.
Just, I'll just
yeah.
मी टाइम का ये मतलब नहीं है कि तुम अपने बच्चे को छोड़ रहे हो, तुम रिचार्ज कर रहे हो खुद को.
Yes.
मी टाइम थोड़ा मिस इंटरप्रेट हो रहा है आजकल कि, यू नो, ये औरत को खुद का लाड़ करना है, पेडिक्योर करना है, मैनिक्योर करना है. इट इज जस्ट योर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. जैसे आप अपने बच्चे को, यू नो, कभी गोद में लिटा के सहला रहे हो, खुद को भी सहला लो कभी. खुद का ख्याल रखो. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नीड टू रिचार्ज. Please carry on, Ishani.
And I think that just brings me that metaphor what we were talking about also. You cannot pour from an empty cup. आप एक खाली ग्लास से नहीं और कहीं पानी डाल सकते. So इसलिए it's important पहले अपने आप को, you know, how like a plant grows, unless it receives the water, it cannot, you know, mushroom out into a tree. वो बड़ा होके वो tree बन के it cannot serve others.
How beautiful.
If we really want to do that, I think we should, it's all about starting with yourself. And जितना आप अंदर देख पाओगे, उतना आप बाहर अपने आप को, you'll be available to your child, to your family, to any responsibility that you have. So I think how amazingly you highlighted the importance of me time and how it is not कि भाई मैंने पूरी दुनिया छोड़ के I'm just focusing on myself, and it's not selfishness. I think ये एक बहुत बड़ा taboo in our country especially, and with the kind of culture that we grow up with कि if you're just retracting, आप थोड़ा सा भी अपने लिए time ले रहे हो, you're just being selfish, which is very very untrue, because unless you don't take care, आप बाकियों के लिए नहीं available हो सकते. And when you do that, compartmentalize, break down for yourself कि क्या चीजें हैं जो इस वक्त I really need in my life. Because if you also talk about needs, हमारी needs सिर्फ दूसरों के हिसाब से define हुई होती है. So say what I like, what I feel, what I enjoy. It over the time वो हर चीज, what my husband likes, what he needs. अगर मुझे कोई सूट भी चाहिए, so what he likes, the colors that he likes or what he needs. So I think it's so much more important, and especially when we go in for a maternity, that phase of our life, everything becomes so outward that we've forgotten who this person is. So I think it's very important to go back and identify with this person again. Ki
Yeah.
if Ishani today, how does Ishani really look like? Can I, really honestly, I've had women, I've had mothers, I've literally asked them to sit in front of the mirror and really see yourself कि आप हो कौन, it works wonders. Just sit in front of your mirror and see yourself away from everything else and just accept the way that we are. Us acceptance ke bina we cannot move any beyond to whatever we might wish to, because jab tak wo acceptance nahi aati, everything is just, oh I wish I was like that, oh I wish I could have more time. Look at other mothers, look at her, look at Samaira, how she's managed everything. So that sense of competitiveness, or just putting myself at the disposal of others, is always there. So go back, see yourself, however, whatever shape and form. I think it's very important to first accept ourselves, because till we don't do that, we cannot expect acceptance from anywhere else, which we would
Exactly.
love for ourselves. So once we do that, once we compartmentalize, break what we need, and I think start setting boundaries for things. Like Dr. Farah, how you said, self-discipline is so important, which only comes from that sense of boundary setting. That अगर आज मेरा day शुरू होता है 7 बजे से लेके, it ends at say 12 o'clock also, how do I want my life to look at? How do I want things to be like? And जब तक मैं वो boundary setting नहीं करूँगी, and while I do boundary setting, ask for help. Unless I ask for help, I cannot be that only एक इंसान पूरे हर चीज का ध्यान नहीं रख सकता. And we should also, I think, acknowledge that we all need help at some point in time, be it reaching out to a professional, be it reaching out to your family, be it reaching to your husband or to your grandparents or to your own parents. ये एक बहुत ट्रेडिशनल हमारे कल्चर सोसाइटी में कि बेटी की शादी हो गई तो आप दूसरे घर में हो. So sometimes the lady parai, she, like, I know I have had personal narratives of women जहाँ उनको इतना मुश्किल था to go back to their parents and say I need to start a job, can you help me? Because she's also learnt that schema, that worldview कि हाँ अब मेरी शादी हो गई, I cannot request my parents or I can't take a favor, because that is just out of question. Or even with my in-laws कि मैं उनको कैसे बोल सकती हूँ, उनकी भी तो अपनी लाइफ होगी. But the truth is that it takes a village to raise a little child or a family. तो वो village हमको चाहिए होगा. Without it, so ask for help, ladies. Whoever, mothers, whoever is watching, please reach out. There is no shame in asking for help. There is no issue, and unless you do that, you will only keep struggling. आप अपना decide भी करोगे that मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, but then all those pressures will come back, and we really can't take it all by ourselves. So I think ask for help, accept yourself, sit down, think what you really want, and once we are able to, एक हम अपने लिए एक छोटा सा chart out जितना हम कर पाएंगे उतना, that inner fire, that motivation will start kicking in. Otherwise जो भी कुछ I even think of doing, it will always be defined by the outside world. It will never be my template. It will always be a template of, say, हस्बैंड ने बोला अच्छा ठीक है हो गया, अब आप ये कर लो, कोई बात नहीं. नाना नानी ने बोला, पेरेंट्स ने बोला, या मेरी फ्रेंड्स ने बोला, मैंने सुना कि मेरी फ्रेंड्स तो अच्छा ठीक है, दे आर जस्ट डूइंग. I might not be good at it, but I might start doing the same because I'm seeing 10 other people doing the same thing. Or so even true. Like अपने बच्चे को raise कैसे करना है. I think Dr. Farah, you'll be able to throw immense light on it, and your book also. that there are so many perspectives out there, that how the kind of life I want for myself and my child, everybody is like the expert. It's almost like sab bahar baithe hain and they are the experts. But the truth is that you are your best expert, be it on your life or on your child's life. And the more you take that चाबी, हम सबको एक वो दरवाजे की चाबी होती है ना, हम अपना दरवाजा खोल देते हैं, we allow everybody to come in, throw their light, throw their comments, throw their expert comments, if I were to say, and then we take it so much to our heart, and that's what kills our motivation, that's what kills our emotions. So let's take back that key, जिसको भी हम देके आए हैं ना, be it our friends, to the world, to our husbands, take the key back and take the key to yourself. आपके पास आपके ताले की चाबी है. So yeah, I think Dr. Farah, over to you.
So true. हाँ, एंड आपने जो ये बात कही ना, इट टेक्स अ विलेज टू रेज अ चाइल्ड, इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट बात है. इनफैक्ट आई जस्ट ओपन दैट चैप्टर फ्रॉम माय बुक, कैन यू सी इट?
Yes.
द बुक, तो इसमें मैंने पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन, देयर आर एक्चुअली 2 चैप्टर्स. अगर आप इस टॉक में इंटरेस्टेड है, इस बुक के 2 चैप्टर्स हैं, पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन एंड मैटरनिटी ब्रेक. और इसमें मैंने आपको समझाया है ये चैप्टर में कि कैसे आज की जो जनरेशन है, हम लोग ना सुपरस्टार्स हैं हमारे करियर में, हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंट औरतें हैं, हम जो शादी करके आते हैं, जो लड़का भी हमारे अक्सर हमारी पसंद का ही होता है, एंड वी रियली डोंट केयर अबाउट दुनिया क्या कहेंगी, लोग क्या कहेंगे. और बच्चा होते ही ये एक प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है सबको कि हम लोग ग्राउंड जीरो पे आ जाते हैं. इंटर्नशिप तो बच्चा होने के, पैदा होने के बाद शुरू होती है, एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द कंट्रीब्यूटर्स टू जो बेबी ब्लूज बोलते हैं या फुल फ्लैश पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन. क्योंकि हमारी जो माएँ और सासें थी, the fact is, वो लोग जब शादी करके आए थे, माँ है, सास है, दादियाँ हैं, उनका क्या था, शादी करके आई है, पहले तो एक तो बोझ हट गया माँ बाप से, और यहाँ पे भी आई, यू नो, वो लोग थोड़े दबे हुए रहते थे. हम लोग तो पैदाइशी शेरनियाँ हैं, वो लोग थोड़े दबे हुए रहते थे. एंड बच्चा पैदा होने के बाद, हाँ अब तो छोड़ के नहीं जा सकता हस्बैंड, यू नो, दैट सीरियसली दैट नैरो माइंडेड माइंडसेट वाज देयर. तो उनका प्रमोशन होता था बच्चा पैदा होने के बाद, और वो लोग इतने नरम रहते, उनको जो बोलो, जो खिलाओ, जो करने बोलो, वो सब करते थे. वी वॉन्ट लॉजिक. आजकल की जो औरत है, वी वॉन्ट लॉजिक. वी वॉन्ट कि इसका साइंस क्या है. आप मुझे ऐसे तो नहीं बोल सकते कुछ भी करने. सपोज मुझे बोल रहे कान कवर कर लो, कुछ भी सिंपल सी बात जो ट्रेडिशन रहता है. दे वॉन्ट लॉजिक. वो इंटरनेट पे जाते हैं, इंटरनेट दे नहीं पाता है. सो इन दिस बुक आई गिव यू द लॉजिक बिहाइंड द ट्रेडिशन. आपको क्यों बात सुननी चाहिए आपके बड़ों की, और कुछ बातें जो है जो नहीं सुननी चाहिए. ट्रेडिशन है, इसका मतलब नहीं कि प्रथा है तो सही ही है. एंड आई टॉक अबाउट ये जो अर्बन वुमन है, जो आजकल की सिटी गर्ल है, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली से वो आ जाती है अजीब सी जॉइंट फैमिली में, जो मतलब नेक्स्ट 2 महीने तक माँ सास रहेगी साथ में. सो दैट अफेक्ट्स हर इमोशनल क्वोशंट अ लॉट. उसका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कम हो सकता है. एंड वो लोग जो छोटे छोटे कमेंट्स कभी कभी आते हैं ना, नेबर से आ जाएंगे, वो बाजू वाली आंटी से आ जाएगी, अभी तो तुम्हारा लाइफ तो तुम्हारा बच्चा ही है, विच इज नॉट रियली द केस. तुम्हारी लाइफ है जो आप चाहते हो आपकी लाइफ है. आप एक लंबा सबैटिक कर लो, आप एक छोटा सबैटिक कर लो, आप 6 महीने में वापस काम पर जाओ, वो तुमको, तुम्हारे दिल को जो सही लगता है, जो तुम्हारे लिए और तुम्हारे बच्चे के लिए सही है. देखो, जनरली रूल ऑफ थंब है, इफ इट्स राइट फॉर द मदर, इट विल बी राइट फॉर द बेबी. आपको ये सोचना है, इफ इट्स राइट फॉर मी, अगर मुझे सही लग रहा है मेरे लिए, तो मेरे बच्चे के लिए भी सही होगा. अगर आपको ऐसी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आपको लगता है होगी डिलीवरी के बाद, या अगर आपका बच्चा 6 साल का भी है और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने सहा है, रीड दिस बुक. आई एम गेटिंग रिव्यूज फ्रॉम मदर्स ऑफ 18-year-olds की मेरी आंखें खुली, और जो जो खुन्नस थी ना इतने सालों की, they getting a vent to that, which brings me Isha, twins. माँ, जय माँ की, ट्विंस की माँ हो, 11 साल के हो गए. प्लीज टेल अस अ बिट अबाउट योर जर्नी.
Yeah, so I mean, like Ishani is very beautifully articulated. It was about 11 years back, and it was very difficult. So when I left my job because I was going to deliver twins, मैंने 8 months तक काम किया. उसके बाद my boss told me, the one thing that she told me was that you should come back soon because you lose your self confidence. तो मुझे लगा it's not me, you know, I know I'm there, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. And I thought that she's wrong, but I was so wrong when I thought that. So I definitely lost all my confidence. It took me bit by bit to build it up again and to grow from there. So basically, I'll have to cut it a little short because we are losing on time. I'll cut it short and tell you. So अगर मैं अपने career में 10 तक पहुंच गई थी, So, and I think it's for all mothers. We take 5 steps back because we take a break. Our focus is kids, definitely. So I'd move 5 steps back, and now to be able to move to 10 back and to 15, because anybody would want to do that, you have to walk 10 steps with a baby in hand. Imagine the weight that you have. I was walking with 2, so it was all the more difficult. However, if you like you rightly said, if you're compartmentalizing, if you're motivating yourself, if you're able to put your mind in the right place, your heart will motivate you to do it. My kids were 2.5 years old when I started my business, and I started it from home. I tried to make it big as much as I could, and I worked very hard. And वो difficult नहीं लगता था क्योंकि मैं बहुत दिल से कर रही थी. आज सोचते तो लगता है यार मतलब मैंने क्यों इतना मेहनत किया. I mean, I could have taken my 5 years beautiful maternity, but जो भी काम तुम बहुत दिल से करो, please, I mean, like Ishani said, look inside. If your happiness is being able to, yes, raise the kid, this is definitely your responsibility. And the happiness also is making something of your own or going back to work, whatsoever. You decide, you take that call, and you start doing it with all your heart. It's not difficult then.
Okay, so तुम्हारा sabbatical कितने सालों का था after having your twins?
Honestly, it's about 1.5 years. उसके बाद मैंने freelance किया for about 8-9 months. और मुझे लगा यार freelance ही कर रही हूँ, अपना काम करती हूँ, I make more money. So that's when I started my business.
You started. That's when the White Crow came into being, is it?
Yes, 2011.
Fantastic, so inspirational. For those जिनको आज का टॉपिक इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, this is we are speaking from the other side of the spectrum कि कोविड पैंडेमिक में न्यू नॉर्मल को कैसे अडेप्ट करना है. अगर आपको जॉब ढूंढनी है बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, आपका जॉब चला गया है या फिर आपको करियर पाथ चेंज करना है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज इतने अच्छे मिल नहीं रहे हैं, दिस इज द टॉक. बट अगर आप ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश जॉब में हैं, आप अपने मैटर्निटी ब्रेक पे हैं, एंड व्हाट आर द राइट्स, और एल्स यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग और आपका जॉब स्मूथली चल रहा है, व्हेन टू हैव द कॉन्वर्सेशन, व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट, ये सब हमने कल बात किया था. तो आप कल का स्ट्रीम जरूर कैच कीजिए. मैटर्निटी रिटर्नीज एंड कॉर्पोरेट पॉलिसीज के बारे में बात की है. एंड टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट चेंजिंग पाथ्स एंड अडेप्टिंग टू द न्यू नॉर्मल. तो ईशा, टेल मी, आपके एक्सपीरियंस में आपने क्या देखा है कि अगर कोई औरत, आपने जो 5 साल का सबैटिकल, अगर कोई औरत ले लें, क्या वो वापस कभी आ सकती है, और इज इट लाइक अ डेथ सेंटेंस कि तुम कॉर्पोरेट में तो कभी आ ही नहीं सकते वापस? टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. इनफैक्ट सारी फील्ड्स में अगर आप देखो, whether it is business, any kind of business, whether it is, in fact even look at Bollywood, या करीना कपूर खान को देखो, माधुरी दीक्षित को देखो, 10 years का sabbatical लेके she came back. I mean, this is all beautiful. You just have to keep, जैसे मैंने बोला, upskill yourself. अगर आप बॉलीवुड में हो, if you are on the silver screen, keep yourself in shape, right? अगर आप IT में हो तो अपना upskill करते जाओ. अगर आप sales और marketing में हो तो नए courses करते जाओ. I mean, take as much break as you want, and the right thing is what your heart says. There's no right and wrong about it. And कोई नहीं decide कर सकता. What your heart decides is the right thing. And like what Ishani very beautifully said, there is a big taboo around asking for help, right? Please go and ask for help from family members, right? Take that help. And if you're still feeling lost, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं यार बहुत गड़बड़ है, I don't know the right motivation, I don't know this, I don't know that, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा, मेरे सर पे 10 चीजें हैं, मैं कैसे उसको जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं आप कंपार्टमेंटलाइज करो, आप बकेटलाइज कैसे करें उसको? What are the tools and techniques to do it? माइंड को कैसे रोकें कि 10 थॉट आ रहे हैं, अभी मैं कैसे उसको साफ करूं? Take help of coaches, take help of specialists like Ishani, please take help. The taboo around not asking for help from specialists has to go. We are educated women. जो इस platform पे हैं, I'm sure they can understand the platform. They understand the value of going to specialists, asking for help. They'll be superb. They'll be far, far better than any friend or any dadi, nani, auntie, because there are no biases. This person is working in the interest of your heart. That's it. So I think,
moving over, thanks Isha. Moving over, Ishani, as a therapist yourself, आपको क्या taboos दिख रहे हैं? इंडिया में आप practice कर रहे हो. How do you make your patients comfortable, and what do you have to say about this taboo कि therapist को देखा तो मतलब mental है औरत, उससे तो कुछ जमेगा नहीं. हमारे जमाने में तो हमको तो कुछ जरूरत नहीं थी. That is the thing, right? So just tell us, what do you see in your practice?
I think these taboos are at multiple levels. Like they come in different shapes and forms. Sometimes it's more about the environment, the culture. In fact, 90% of the cases ज़्यादातर हमारे culture environment से आता है, जहाँ अभी तक if you are to visit से साइकोलॉजिस्ट, सबसे पहले तो साइकोलॉजिस्ट या थेरेपिस्ट नाम आता ही नहीं है, सबसे पहले तो साइकेट्रिस्ट आता है. सो आई थिंक देयर इज आल्सो अ वेरी important thing that we should be educated about is a psychiatrist is more like a doctor. कि आपको कोई you're having these severe symptoms, and when you go to a psychiatrist, the psychiatrist will scan you, he will test you, and he will probably give you a medicine if you're at the severe end. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप होता है which is working with whatever you might be having. You can either directly approach a psychologist जो आपको आपके stressors, आपकी motivations, आपके limiting beliefs और thought systems पे काम करने को help करेगा. That is what a psychologist or a therapist will really help you do. And a psychologist will not ever give you a medicine, or a therapist will not give you. आधे टाइम लोग इसीलिए नहीं आते because they are scared कि वो पता नहीं कौन सी दवाई दे देंगे,
डिप्रेशन की गोली मिलेगी,
एडिक्ट भी बन जाएंगे ना. दैट्स अनदर थिंग.
सो एक लेवल का टैबू तो है ही, विच इज कि आप पागल हो क्या, मैं पागल हूँ, मैं मेंटल, और मेरे में कोई दिक्कत है बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई एम गोइंग. सो वन लेवल इज दैट. सेकंड लेवल इज इवन इफ आई took some courage and I did come, ये होगा कि मेरे को कोई दवाइयाँ पकड़ा देंगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या prescriptions दे देंगे. So that in itself is also another level of taboo that prevents us from coming, while we are all educated people. How Isha really brought it up, that we're all educated, we're all working, and we are women of today's generation. So also question, like how Dr. Farah was saying, don't just believe, don't just hear जो आपके आसपास लोग बोल रहे हैं, because जो आसपास बोल रहे हैं वही है. आप उनको चाबी दोगे, वो जो भी है, they will instill that in your head. If today you decide to be a change maker, start with yourself. Start what looks fine for you, जो आपको and we're all very intuitive. There is a natural call, especially as a mother, that you will have right there. And no matter what kind of experts or people all around you say, the natural call that comes to you is the purest and the most important ring. तो उसको सुनिए आप. If you feel, जैसे हम डॉक्टर्स के पास अदरवाइज जाते हैं, we feel a stomach ache, we feel a headache, then why not go to a doctor of the mind? If there is a doctor of the body, there is a doctor of the mind. So if we can break that barrier, अगर हम उस taboo को break कर सकते हैं, I think it will really help us. Wherein just like अगर कोई पेट की बीमारी है, सर की बीमारी है, शोल्डर एक हो रहा है, बॉडी एक हो रहा है, फीवर हो रहा है, उसके लिए हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. सिमिलरली अगर मेरे को इमोशनली कुछ चैलेंज आ रहा है, मैं बहुत लो फील कर रही हूँ, या आई एम फीलिंग आई विल स्टिल नॉट रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम यूजिंग डिप्रेशन बिकॉज दैट्स अ वेरी सिवियर एंड. बट हाँ, मैं देख रही हूँ कि ज़्यादातर मैं बहुत लॉस सी रहती हूँ, मेरा लो मूड रहता है. मे बी जो मोटिवेशन होती है कुछ उठने की भी, सुबह कुछ खाने की, ब्रश करने की, नहाने की, वो भी कहीं ना कहीं शायद मैं खो रही हूँ, या मैं बहुत जल्दी घबरा जाती हूँ, एंग्शियसनेस हो रही है कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, मैं सिर्फ फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड चिंताओं में खो जाती हूँ. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर ट्रबलिंग माई माइंड, जो कहीं ना कहीं मेरी बॉडी को भी ट्रबल कर रही है. सो व्हाई नॉट, या प्लीज गो अहेड.
एंड जो भी अभी ये टॉक देख रहा है, एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि मोटिवेट करो, साइकोलॉजिस्ट की हेल्प लो. प्लीज, अगर आपका अभी बच्चा हुआ है या आप प्रेग्नेंट है, प्लीज डोंट गो अहेड ऑफ योरसेल्फ कि नहीं मैं दुनिया कॉन्कर कर दूंगी. टेक द रेस्ट. पहला जो 40 दिन है, आपको जो रेस्ट केयर और रेस्ट मिलेगा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज दैट इज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट यू मेक ऑन योरसेल्फ. Yes. ऐसा नहीं कि बच्चा पैदा करते ही मेरा मैं मोटी हो गई, मुझे वेट लूज करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना है. गो इजी ऑन योरसेल्फ. आप जैसा किसी और का ख्याल रखेंगे, वैसा आप खुद का भी ख्याल रखिए. And now we're going to start a small game, Isha and Ishani. This is a little surprise right now I'm having. Don't worry, I'm not going to throw any curveballs. So once again, guys, in my book Newborns and New Moms, you can order it now. अगर आपको कोई जानते हैं जिसने पहले सफर भी किया है, ask her to read it. उसको जो दिल की जो भड़ास है, उसको मालूम पड़ेगा वो अकेली नहीं है इस दुनिया में. And I talk about the importance of rest, how to get back to maternity, how to get back to work after maternity break. इसमें एक चैप्टर इंक्लूड किया था हमने just before publishing about the new normal and COVID-19. उसके बारे में भी है इस बुक में. So please grab your copy now, gift it to your friend who struggle, जिसने बच्चा हो के भी 10 साल हो गए हैं, या someone who's pregnant, ideal baby shower gift. and we are going to have a small game here where I'm going to ask Isha to tell me one success story जिसने लंबा sabbatical लिया है and who got back on her feet. And for Ishani, I want you to help out the ladies with 3 self-care tips quickly कि you get back on track. So Isha, you guys are like opponents right now. Isha will tell our audience कि आपको break चाहिए, आपका हक है, आप वो लो, and Ishani will tell us how to motivate yourself to get back on track. So we are kind of trying to tell you कि follow your heart. हमारी बात आपको मोटिवेट नहीं करेगी कि अभी उठ के काम पे जाना है या अभी उठ के रिजाइन करना है. So we are going to play devil's advocate. Isha, can you please tell us a very lovely example of someone who took a long sabbatical and has come back in her career with a bang? Any example?
There are beautiful examples if we sit and research about the industry. Females who've done extremely well, and they had taken their beautiful breaks of starting from 2 years to even 10 years. Right? You research in your industry, you have the answer. Right now, I'm in the coaching industry, so I will talk about Pooja Puneet. So she got married at 18. She was a Delhiite, got married in Chennai at the age of 18. So full disaster. Then kids, super disaster. Actually, the way she quotes it. And now she is the superstar of the industry. She is the number one most educated, the highest number of degrees anybody could have had, and the most valued person. She earns more than, I mean, for her 1 day of coaching, she earns more than 10 lakh rupees. That's where you can get. I mean, this is one example I would love to quote.
Oh, that's one example everyone needs to remember, man. What's her name? Pooja?
Pooja Puneet.
Pooja Puneet. And she is, can you tell her what's her? She's a career consultant.
She's a coach in all industries. She does a lot of work on relationship coaching. So definitely, in case you want, you can take her help. She does online, offline, everything. And but in case you want help, you can go to, counselors. Specifically for our mothers, that our audience jo hai, go to counselors, go to relationship coaches, just specifically relationship pe kaam karte hain. They will be able to help your morale up. And that's where you have to get. Once your morale is high, you'll be able to fly. You just need wings. So wings bhi hain, kisi ko dikhane hain. So
and how many years of experience does Pooja have in the field?
Pooja is about 12-13 years now.
Fantastic. She's like in the 30s, early 40s right now, something like that.
She would be 40 now, yeah.
40 now. So this is a fantastic example. जिसने sabbatical लिया, बच्चे पैदा किया and got back on track. And on the so here we were speaking in favor of a long sabbatical. Take time to heal. आपके बच्चे को special needs है. आपके बच्चा needs your attention. You cannot tear away from him. Sabbatical लीजिए. Get inspiration from this amazing lady who could go back and become number 1 in the industry. And Ishani, for those of them who don't want a sabbatical, who are feeling lost कि मेरी identity चली गई, मैं तो चलती फिरती गाय बन गई हूँ अभी और कुछ नहीं है मेरे life में, मैं सिर्फ गाय हूँ, मैं सिर्फ दूध देती हूँ, and I look like a guy also. That is what we think. I used to call myself a cow. मैं इसे 18 किलो ज़्यादा थी after I gave birth, and there were enough people to make me feel like that. So we're not going to talk about losing weight, please. ये हमारा agenda नहीं है. We're talking about motivation. Self-care tips कि आपका motivation वापस आ जाए. You and from our very own Ishani, psychologist, Dr. Ishani, she's a psychologist. वो हमको she'll give us some self-care tips जिसमें आपका motivation level आ जाए, आपके energy levels आ जाए और आपका patience वापस आए. Please, Ishani, over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Farah. So I think I will repeat, pause first. Unless you pause, everything's just going to be a jungle. So pause for yourself and find that moment of quiet, be it in the day. जब आपका बच्चा अभी उठा नहीं है, utilize the morning time for yourself, in the afternoon when he or she is sleeping, or in the night time, wherever you can find छोटा सा भी window for yourself, just pause and rest for yourself. Because just imagine you are such a machine, you're constantly doing so much and you've given birth to such a beautiful life, and उस life को, so it also has such greater impacts. There are numerous studies. However, the mother is feeling the child, through the breast milk or through the baby's right here. So he or she is taking in those messages, that energy right away to the child.
So true.
If you want that you don't transmit those emotions or those, those feelings or those energies to your child, pause for yourself. It is not selfish. It is not mean to take a break for yourself. So start with that, I think. And also take plenty of rest for yourself, as Dr. Farah was also saying, because without that, you cannot function. Then I think second, move your body, whatever it looks like. in whichever way or form, be it a little yoga exercise, be it Zumba, be it going for, little walks for yourself, be it working in the kitchen, bathroom में खड़े होके just dancing to yourself, or just, whatever it looks like, whatever shape and form it comes to you. Or even if, for that matter, if now that, आप घर पे हैं and you are beginning to start your work and you want to kind of restart the engine, तो उस restart को करने के लिए bodily also, it shakes your body a bit. So whatever, in whatever way the movement looks like for you, because movement also will impact how your body, जो सोचो एक सिर्फ clogged way में या एक तरीके से जो locked in बैठी हुई है for so long. And often I think when we become mothers also, there's such weight on our body, both physically, mentally. So वो भी होता है जिसकी वजह से इतना भारीपन होता है. तो अपने आप को whatever way you can create that space of moving a bit, creating that kind of, movement. It could just be बाहर जाके बैठ के, you just walk around in your garden, जो भी है, whatever looks like for you in the shape and form. And we've been repeating the message, hear yourself, hear your heart, what it says to you. And then post that, find yourself a community. हमें लगता है कि that community happens in relationships, that we end up kind of focusing or reducing ourselves कि 4-5 लोग हैं, मम्मी पापा हो गए, मदर इन लॉ, फादर इन लॉ हो गए, then our partner becomes that immediate community कि इससे हर चीज चाहिए. So I think that is a mistake we all do at all times, कि our partner has to be our friend, our best friend, our husband, our
Co-parent.
our counselor, everything. He has just be on a call. But we also realize how things are changing for us, it's changing for them. So with that change, maybe it's time to also broaden our community. Go back and give a call to your sister, your brother, your friend, or whoever was your resource person at one point in time. We forget that हम काफी हमारा world restrict हो जाता है, especially when, from being a woman to working woman, where all our energies are channelized only in work, and then becoming a mother. So all that connectivity वो हमारी छूट ही जाती है कहीं ना कहीं over the period of time. So I think it's very important to call back and reach out to all those people who are right there for us. We've maybe just forgotten that they're there, and maybe they will be those people who can give you a new perspective, who can give you a new ray of life, that you ray of light in your life जो आपको बहुत चाहिए at this point in time. And maybe your immediate family might not be able to see that through for yourself. So I think find that community for yourself. It exists right there. And even for that matter, us coaches like Isha or me or Dr. Farah or books, surround yourself with the kind of resources also are our community, be it the certain kind of books, be
Baby
it
Chakra app.
Yes, Baby Chakra. I mean, Baby Chakra is like another home altogether. For any of your concerns, you have fellow moms here who you can chat with, who you can discuss. So your
Right.
community is not just restricted to certain people, 4-5 people in your life. You can
So true.
keep expanding it. And nowadays, there are so many online portals, webinars that have all these women come. There are so many support groups that are happening. So अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं से you're not being heard, or you're not getting that kind of motivation, please reach out. There is so much more abundance, and there are so many more resources out there lying for you to just reach your hands to. So I think my top 3 favorites would be these.
Yeah, I think your points were so amazing. वो जो bathroom में नाचो गाओ, that I think हर औरत कभी ना कभी अपनी लाइफ में करी है. I still do it. And in fact, in my book, I have given one workout you can do just before the shower, to reduce the sagging in the breasts. And when you're weaning off the baby, जब baby अपना दूध कम कर रहे हो, and how to improve the sag, I've given a bathroom workout. Enjoy your bathroom time. Bathroom singing करो, bathroom dancing करो. वो अपना जो बचपना है ना, अब माँ बनने में अपना बचपना मत खो. That is very important. And जो दूसरी बात है, आपके हस्बैंड आपका लाइफ बोट है, आपका सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, बट वो ऑब्जेक्टिविटी चली जाती है. तो रीचिंग आउट टू समवन यू डोंट नो, ऑनलाइन फोरम हुआ, बेबी चक्रा ऐप हुआ, आपके कोई बचपन के दोस्त जिनसे आपने कनेक्ट नहीं किया है, वो आपको एक थर्ड पर्सन ऑब्जेक्टिविटी देंगे. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट लाइक डॉक्टर ईशानी, आप उनके पास जाएंगे विदाउट जजमेंट फ्रॉम दूसरे पेशेंट की स्टडी से आपको हेल्प कर सकती है. इसके साथ इसने काम किया है. एंड कभी कभी थोड़ा लेंस चेंज करना पड़ता है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. This brings us to the end of today's discussion. Work from home, the new normal. अगर आप अभी देख रहे हैं, प्लीज ये लाइव स्ट्रीम शुरू से देखिए. मिस ईशा ने हमको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज दिए टू गेट बैक इन द वर्कफोर्स. ईशानी ने बहुत अच्छे टिप्स दिए हैं हमको हाउ टू गेट योर मोटिवेशन. ईशा इज अ कोच, करियर कंसल्टिंग कोच, एंड ईशानी इज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड थेरेपिस्ट. बहुत अच्छी बातें हुई हैं यहाँ पर. एंड all of this and much more is there in my book Newborns and New Moms, Ideal Baby Shower Gift. अगर आपकी स्ट्रगल हुई है, कुछ भी हुआ है, दिस बुक राइट नाउ वन ऑफ माई क्लोज फ्रेंड्स इज रीडिंग. उसका एक बेटा 11 साल का है और दूसरा बेटा 6 साल का है. एंड शी इज एंजॉइंग इट सो मच कि जो भी उसने सहा था, जो वट एवर शी वेंट थ्रू, यू नो, शी इज गेटिंग की wow, this is like a cathartic, it is like a dear diary situation where she's not writing in the diary, she's reading from the diary, you know. It feels like that for her. So आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम, आपको कोविड के न्यू नॉर्मल से कोप करना है, आपको मटर्निटी ब्रेक के बारे में डील करना है, आपको आपके मूड्स जो है, पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन आई वुडंट से, आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ है, ऑल थिंग्स हैव इंडिविजुअल चैप्टर्स इन दिस बुक. Please get it now. Link is down below. It was so lovely talking to you, Isha and Ishani. And Isha, let's get together. Let's compile a list and give it to our viewers. That will help them in getting jobs. And Ishani, fantastic tips. Thank you so much for joining us, both of you. This brings us to the end of our day 5. Tomorrow, tune in again at 5 p.m. Joining me is the regional head of the Cry India Foundation, Mr. Nilendu Kumar. We are going to be talking about the situation of breastfeeding in the underprivileged, what you can do to help them. It's a fundraiser for Cry. It is an NGO. Please join in tomorrow and make contributions. It will go a long way. If you believe in the ideology Isha, Ishani, me, and Baby Chakra has, you're most welcome tomorrow to make contributions to Cry. Join at 5 to 6. बहुत अच्छी बातें करने वाले मिस्टर नीलेंदु कुमार. एंड ही इज गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स जो हमारे माइग्रेंट्स है, जो हमारे घरों पे काम करते हैं, all this thing which is basically because of the society, the issues they face. Very interesting talk, and we are obviously going to be stressing a lot on the breastfeeding aspect of it. I'll be giving my medical viewpoints also. Tune in tomorrow at 5 p.m. on Facebook page of Baby Chakra Live, and please be generous tomorrow. It's a fundraiser tomorrow. See you guys. Thank you, Isha. Thank you, Ishani. And thank you,
so
Baby
much.
Chakra.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.